talk about today? Alrighty, I'm going to show you what I've been working on, and this has been really fun, a really fun project. You may have seen this pattern out there. It's Ghost. They're so cute because they have little bows in their hair. Isn't that cute? And I love the fabric they're made out of, so I went and pulled fabric out of our fabric shelves in there and pulled those fabrics out. So I've been making seasonal runners for our deep freeze, our new deep freeze. It's really long, about 72 inches. So these runners are long. I took that pattern and here's what I made. Look at this. I don't even know, it's so long, I don't even know if I can get it all up here. Let's go. Let's try. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, I hope that works. Look how cute those guys are. So you don't have to make a whole quilt if you want to make the ghost and play around with them. You can make, I made two, an orange and a tan, and an orangey and a tannish over there on that side. So I made four with just a block in the middle. So since this is a plaid, we've quilted it on the diagonal, and then usually when you set something on a runner, it's set in the middle. So whatever we put there, an arrangement, a candle, whatever is going to set in the middle. Isn't that cute? They each have their little hair bows. And if you want your ghost to be guys, you just put your regular fabrics in there and don't put the little bow. But I thought that was really cute. I've got their eyes. These are turned, but you know, you can do them all straight like this one if you want for the eyes, but I turned a couple of them going to the side. But anyway, there's the, and look on the back, the plaid with the black and white. I love the little plaid binding. But isn't that cute? Well, let me show you a little bit about the pattern. You may think, oh, this is too hard for me to do. I don't want anything that complicated or takes that long. Her pattern directions are really good. She's got the cutting just broke down if you want to do the whole quilt. Of course, if you're just doing the four ghosts, you're just going to make the four ghosts. You don't have a lot of background for it, and then your center square. But it's broken down. She has arrows pointing to which way to press, and which that's always beneficial because she's thought about it ahead of time and letting us know which is the best way. So the arrows in there shows you which way. You cut strips, and then you sew your half squares. You sew a diagonal line and trim on those. She's got it all broke down. Let me show you some more of the charts. Everything is broke down where you can read the directions, size-wise and everything. But look, here's for an individual ghost. And she's got the broke down where you can see where everything goes. This here is a great big piece in the stomach area there. And then this is a different little technique on the sides, and that's fun to do. I like to see something different in there. Okay, and then one of the good things about it, she even goes into how to bind it if you want to do it by hand and sew it on. Look at that. The ghosts are all broke down if you want to do the whole quilt. You can see exactly how they go. They're staggered, you know. This row is up, this one down, up, down. They're staggered in there, and I think that makes it really cute. Okay, and I love the fabric, like I said, that we used for that. We have kits. We have a few kits made if you're interested in a runner just like this. The kits are $36, but if you order them now, we're going to have them on sale for a limited time sale for $24. You get all the front fabric. Now the backing, the lining will be up to you, and the batting, but you get even the binding in there and all the fabrics for the four ghosts and the background fabric here that we've used here. You get the black for the eyes and the bow fabrics in there and the pattern. So, you know, these are, patterns have gone up, but the whole kit would be $24. If you'd like one, you still have time to get it done and have it before Halloween if you hurry up and get it done and quilted. Okay, so we have a few of these at the shop. If you want one, you can reserve it by the comments, and we'll have one ready for you. Okay, that's all I have for today. I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions or want to come by and visit with us, just come on by the store. Thank you and good day.